Guys, I'm gonna be telling you how to make a platformer. So, uh, if you want to package my assets, it's in my project. Um, it's in a project. Wait, where's that? It's in a project. Right here. That's where you can get the assets. You can just delete the thumbnail. You can remix it, but I'll just package it. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this. Really simple. I'm not really good at a Scratch coder, but I'm pretty sure you guys can do it. Okay, let's do this. So first of all, what you want to do is just make a new project and just maybe remix it, and then you can just. So now make sure to show this bad boy up, and you can already see him. Make sure when I click set the size to 100. You can see, as you can see. And then make sure to get, so first of all we need an X variable. Get the controls out of here. I just made this, we'll create that later on. So make a variable called X, make another variable called Y. Okay, this one should be easy. Well, I'm using Scratch add-ons a little bit so I can clean up the blocks, and it makes a sound if I connect blocks. So if we put this, okay, we have to put a forever loop. Change X by, well, the X, and start up, begin game. Do not take this. Do not take that. Okay, now I'm just gonna put that in there. Uh, okay, let's clean up the blocks. Okay, no, we don't want it. Now we need controls left, to right. Okay, now put that in here. Now I forgot, we have to take the one without screen refresh. Okay. Okay, so you see this lag. That can kind of crash. Okay. I recommend not putting that, but if you want to make a cringy platformer, okay. So you see it's not really going that well. Not really doing things that well. Well, just get this thing here and make sure to divide, multiply it by 4. And if we put that in there, refresh the project. Oh yeah, okay. So we need walking animations. How do we do that? That's easy. Okay, so we have to get this white. Okay, I wanna do next costume. If then, I created to Griff Patch for a little bit of this code. Yeah, Griff Patch. Yes, Griff Patch. Then we switch it back. We need to switch it back. So 1 0. Okay, so you see it's only doing this. Well, okay, it's not working. make sure that you have cool things. Okay. What? Oh, I get it. We need to get, this is a mod, mod, mod. Okay, get the floor. Okay, we need to make a, what? We can make the costume available now. If you already have it, just use it away. So, this should be easy. First costume that we want to use is 5. 20. Okay, if then. So now what's sad that it doesn't really work. Oh, okay, that's sad. Yeah, not sad anymore. Okay, so do you want it to turn around and you don't want to do costumes flipping it horizontal? Well, this is a good idea to maybe follow of this follow tutorial. Oh yeah, app one, and you might want to do 90 here and here. You put minus 90. Ooh. Okay. Okay, that's the basics. So now show the background. You can. I make it as white, but you can prefer to make it this. And the levels, these are just the bricks. So for now, we're just gonna be making a floor. Okay. Now we actually want a player to actually start here, and then we want it to fall down to the brick. Well, that's really simple. Since we have this, we need to play a tick. So, player tick. One without screen refresh. Just clean up blocks real quick. Just cancel that. Uh, so you have a player tick. So so you see it doesn't really work because you don't really need one without screen refresh. So just quickly do that before Scratch crashes on you. Okay, so now you want to start in the middle. So once I clicked, sorry guys, my brother's playing a Quincy game. So if you can't hear me, but never mind. Um, we need to X0. Okay, so now it's nicely in the middle. Let me just clean it up real quick. Now we just need to change Y by. Okay, get this. Repeat until. Okay. Repeat until touching color. So this is really tricky. If you don't know how to do that, just type just new levels. It's gonna do the exact same thing. So it's actually not touching. The game's just like that. You can use. I'm just gonna use this. If you're using this, make sure to just press this. Well, but it looks like it's actually touching the color, but no. So what you need to do is change Y by a little bit of a little bit of 3. Whoa. So you see, that's gonna make. So at first you don't do it, and then that you have some controls. Okay, that's the end of our part 1. Bye. I'll see you in part 2.